Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to interpret box and whisker plots. I will look at diagram number 1. Here we have Q1 is 27, Q2 is 40 and Q3 is 48. What can we get from this diagram? Number 1, we can get 50%, half of the data is less than 40. We know that 40 is our Q2 equals to median. So median will be half. So 50% of the data is below 40 or greater than 40. Number 2, can interpret for Q3. Q3 is equals to 3 over 4 of the data. So 3 over 4 of the data will be 75%. So we can write down Q3 75%. So 75% of the data. 75% of the data is below 48. Or otherwise, we can say 25% of the data is greater than 48. Okay, we also can use the Q1. Q1 is 1/4 of the data, which means 25%. So number 3, 25% of the data is 25 will be here below 27. Or otherwise, we have 75% of the data is above or greater than 27. And last but not least, we are going to comment on the skewness of the data. Look at the whisker and the box. The median is 40, so the box and whisker is longer to the left. Okay, the longer side will be the left part. So our skewness, the data is skewed to the left, because the left side is longer than the right side. We are going to look at the median. Diagram 2, we have median 25, Q1 21 and Q3 is 30. So our data interpretation number 1, let's say we use the Q1. So Q1 is 25% of the data is, so this one is 25%. So start from here until here. So means below than 21. Or otherwise, we can use 75% of the data is greater than 21. Number 2, let's say we use Q2 or median. 50% of the data is greater than 25, or we can use as below than 25. Okay, number 3, we have Q3, so 30. 25% of the data is below. It's not below. It's greater than. $30 or 75% of the data is below 30. And the skewness or the shape of the data, so since the box and whisker is longer at the right side, so we can interpret the data is skewed to the right. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.